after using the cleanser. Oh, great. Hey guys, my name is Shalom Blac, and tonight I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime routine. My nighttime routine is honestly just like a moment for myself, and to also just like make sure I take my makeup off so I can completely relax. Because all my furniture in my house is pretty much white, so that has honestly kind of forced me and actually helped me to make sure every single night I get up and go and take my makeup off. So I used to always just like sleep on my couch with my makeup on after a long day of like work and everything like that. I have about 5 to 6 steps for my nighttime routine. I do not apply that much stuff on my face because of my scar, and I just feel like my skin is like super sensitive. I minimize it, I keep it very simple. But like on a special day, like twice a week, I would do like, you know, the long makeup removal thing. So to remove my makeup, I'm actually going to be taking the NEUTROGENA makeup remover. This is my favorite makeup remover because it literally gets everything out. Oh, my lashes first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these lashes out. I do have combination skin, so sometimes or some areas of my face do intend to be very dry, and some parts are like kind of oily but not like super duper oily. So I like to use the NEUTROGENA makeup remover to get my makeup off because I feel like it's super gentle on my skin. Something that works for my skin might not work for your skin. So make sure like you figure out what works for you, because I do have a friend that also uses this makeup remover, and every single time she uses it, she like breaks out. But for me, it's like glorious. My skin feels so good when I use it. So just figure out what works best for your skin. Do not neglect the neck, because we do, well at least I do, apply some makeup on my neck just to kind of match it up. Still got a little bit of a rhinestone. There you go. Gotta let that go. So I kind of go in to my lace wig. If you guys don't know, yes, this is a lace wig. I know she looks like she's my real hair, but it's a lace wig. I do like to kind of go in the lace to remove the makeup, because sometimes I do put makeup on my lace wig just to make sure it's like matching with the scalp, you know, all that goodness. So woo. So the next product I use to kind of get my makeup off is the BOBBI brown soothing cleansing oil. I pretty much use this, as you guys can see, I do use it a lot. I use this because I feel like it just kind of helps my skin feel a little bit much more like softer after using the cleanser. Oh, after using the cleanser, my skin feels a little dry, so this kind of gives it some more moisture, but it's also removing makeup off. And I just like to work it on my skin, kind of making sure I'm getting all the makeup off. And it might look like I don't have any more like makeup on my face, but I actually do. So I like to take my time and work it on my lashes. Again, do not neglect the neck. Pat dry. So the next product I'm going to be taking is the DERMALOGICA Breakout Clearing Cleanser. I like to use this to just prevent from breaking out, or even like when I do have 1 or 2 pimples, because I'm so lucky. I don't know if this is like a gene, but my mom actually, I have never seen her with a single pimple ever in my whole entire life. And I honestly do not break out. The only time I get like 1 or 2 pimples is like the days that I'm like mad lazy to remove my makeup, and then like, you know, 2 days later I will get like 1 single pimple. So I just like to work that also on my skin You guys know they say like using a cleanser, you're supposed to like, I don't know, do the motion for about a minute, 60 seconds. So I don't know if it's 60 seconds yet, but I like to get the full head. So the next product I'm going to be using is this Fresh Rose Deep Hydrating Facial Toner. I do like to use this because I feel like, again, it's not too harsh for my skin. So in the inside of this, you just have like rose petals inside and stuff like that. So I really like that, especially after using the cleanser. I feel like this kind of just suited the skin, and also it just like evens out my skin tone, which I feel like I definitely need from like maybe like a breakout pimple, and also just like my scars. As you guys can see, it's quite uneven, especially on this side, but there's not much I could do to this side for it to change. But like everywhere else that I have, like, you know, scarring and stuff, I feel like it has been helping it a lot. So the next product right here that I'm using is the Clinique ID. This one right here, you can actually you can customize it to your skin type. So basically I did the hydrating jelly, and then the cartridge that I put inside is for evening out my skin tone. So if you have like fatigue, you could do that, and any other like skin concern, you could basically customize that moisturizer to your skin need. So this one is basically to moisturize and to also even out my skin tone, which I honestly feel like it has been helping a lot. As you guys can see, the bottle is literally almost gone. I need to go get another one. I'm pretty sure the cartridge is all completely gone. So yeah, I just like to work that into my skin. I don't know, I think this is supposed to like help circulate blood flow on your face. Do this, do exactly what I'm doing. Sakna, don't do what I'm doing. No, you should do what I'm doing. No, maybe not. Go to a dermatologist. Figure out what you really need for your skin first. Yes. So next product I'm going to be taking is another DERMALOGICA product. This is the H Smart, and this is supposed to like help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. I really like applicators like this. Just like, I like to do like 3 drops of that. I don't really have wrinkles, but I do believe prevention is better than cure. I am 24, so taking care of my skin early on, it's better than like waiting until I get older. One product that I feel like I would splurge on is definitely my cleanser. Like I mentioned earlier on, I do like to switch my cleanser, so if I can find something that can possibly work better, I do go ahead and like get it and try it and see. Most of the times I do like cleansers, but I mostly like forming cleansers and stuff like that. And the DERMALOGICA one is actually one of my newest cleanser that I purchased about like a month ago, and I've been honestly loving it. Anyway, what I am applying right now on my lips is the SMASHBOX Nourishing Lip Oil, and this has cannabis sativa. Being the fact that I do not smoke weed because hallucination, I do like to like, I mean, I noticed that a lot of brands are coming out with a lot of like cannabis infused skincare product, but I've been using this lip moisturizer for a little while now. I like to apply it to go to sleep because it's not sticky, so it's not going to be annoying when I'm like laying on the sheet. But I like how it just feels, it's very like light, it's not heavy, but I wake up with my skin just, you know, plump and just juicy, you know, juicy. Yeah, okay guys, so that is basically it for my nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you kind of discovered new products to use. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and remember to always be your own kind of beautiful.